If you are searching for how to change the chat wallpaper or background wallpaper on the WeChat and you don't know how to do it, so don't worry, I'm here for you. Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you on how to change the chat background or wallpaper on your chat. So let's begin the video. Here open the WeChat app first, and then you will on the home page of the WeChat, then tap on the me icon at the bottom bar. Now here you will see the several settings, just tap on the settings option, and again here you will see the several settings like profile, account security, guardian mode, easy mode, but tap on the general option. Here you will see the background option along with my stickers, photos, videos, files and calls, but tap on the background option and tap on the choose a wallpaper. If you want to choose the wallpaper from your galleries or photos, then you can simply choose the choose from photos option. But if you want to change the wallpaper of the WeChat background, then tap on the choose a wallpaper. Here select any of the wallpaper you want to change and then tap on done, and here you will see the apply to all chats option. Tap on it. Through this way you can change the background of the chat or your chat wallpaper on WeChat. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.